Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So another important video related to TCS NQT 2026 interview. So for some candidates interview has been postponed. So in this video I will talk about that. Beside that I will provide you update related to interview result and the assessment result. So you can say this is the mail students are getting. We regret to inform you that due to unavoidable circumstances your interview schedules on 20th April has been postponed for the NQT hiring 2024, 25, 26. So friend, this is the reason I am saying now the TCS has basically slowed down the hiring process, okay? But don't be worried those who haven't got the mail, okay? And if you are getting the documentation mail or any update, comment here so that other student will get clarity that either you get or not. So they've clearly mentioned that we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience and this may cause and appreciate your understanding and cooperation. The revised interview details will be shared shortly in the subsequent email. Okay, so the thing I want to tell you friends, earlier you saw that within 7 days or within 10 days students are getting the mail and also getting the offer letter. But yeah, ये भाई इन जनरल ऐसा पहले होता नहीं था. So now they are coming to the old process. So you have to be patient if you are not getting the result. Many of the candidates are saying, भैया I have given the prime interview on 18th April or I have given on 20th April or 10th April or 1st April. Still I am not getting the result. So should I consider rejected? I will suggest don't consider yourself anything, but yeah, prepare for some other opportunity. Don't believe on just any single company. Okay, and still you should have hope. Be positive. Don't say that I will be rejected. That completely depend on your luck and other factor. But yeah, ये तो इन जनरल रहता ही भाई कि आपको एक कंपनी के भरोसे नहीं बैठे रहना. यू हैव टू गो फॉर द अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अप्लाई फॉर अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी. ओके, सो नाउ you got the idea. Now some students are also getting the interview mail. So those who have given the mail for means exam further like 13th, 14th or 12th April, they are getting the mail. So those who are able to solve at least one coding question, they are getting the mail for the digital, and some also are getting for the ninja and all those things. So beside that, some students are also getting the interview result. Again, it completely depend on your location, your role and other factor. So if you are getting the result, comment here so that other student will get clarity, okay, and help each other in getting this job. Again friends, either you are getting the mail or not, you should be confident enough because there will be lots of hiring like Cognizant and currently Infosys hiring has been announced. So we have already provided update to all those job updates. So for that you can subscribe us and keep a hope and keep applying for your off-campus drive. Especially I am saying to tier 3 or tier 2 college, don't completely depend on your college. Okay, I know there are very few placements opportunity are there, but you have to utilize this time in building your skill and at the same time build your project, and at the same time you have to apply for various off-campus drive. We regularly post lots of important job updates. So I hope now you got. So these are the mail students are getting. We thank you for your interest in TCS career and moving forward with your applications. I mean they have selected for the mail. Related to interview experience, I have already made the detailed video. So those who have interview further, first of all congratulations. Now just one step more. So if you want to schedule your mock interview, then you can also fill the mock interview form. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear this interview. Then go with your updated resume and make sure to build a good resume. Okay, don't give any single point in resume you don't have idea, and focus on the basics and focus on the projects which you are mentioning. And especially prime candidates, you have to work little bit harder in compared to ninja and digital candidates. Because prime ka bhai, since they are providing 9 LPA, so they are expecting something more, especially latest technology like AI and other bhai technology को आप लोग अच्छे से देख के जाइएगा. Then the only there will be chances of getting selection. So now I hope you all got the clarity about the mail and all things. Again saying don't depend just on single company. Keep applying for other off-campus drive and be positive. अगर आपका ठीक ठाक गया and हो सकता है कि आपका रिजेक्ट भी हो जाए या सिलेक्ट भी हो जाए. So मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, खुद से आप एजम्पशन ना बनाए, but you have to be patient because in MNC there is a basically slow process. Okay, so आपको थोड़ा वेट करना होगा and have a patience. So I hope informative to you. Still, if you have any query, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or you can ask your query at Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp or any platform, whatever you're comfortable with, you can ask your query there. And we are always here to help you. Okay, just subscribe us, support us, and we will provide all those updates. Okay, so currently we are posting the job update related to Infosys, related to questions, related to roadmap. So just go through that. And those who have mock interview must participate in mock interview. Either you are giving to me or not, but must give mock interview. It will basically give you confidence. कोई भी query है, again you can ask here. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.